Welcome to Next Level Stories, where timeless wisdom meets powerful storytelling. Today's story is inspired by the values of faith, courage, and discipline taught through the devotion of Lord Hanuman. While this is an original fictional story, its message reminds us that true blessings come to those who combine hard work with wisdom, humility, and unwavering faith. If you're searching for motivation that can transform your life, stay with us until the very end. Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived a poor farmer named Raghav. His small mud house barely protected his family from the rain, and every sunrise began with another day of endless labor. Although he worked harder than anyone else in the village, poverty never seemed to leave his doorstep. His 5 grown sons spent their days without purpose, leaving the burden entirely on their aging father. Every evening, Raghav returned home exhausted, wondering why destiny had never smiled upon him. One afternoon, an elderly saintly woman visited his home. Looking at his tired face, she gently said, "My son, sometimes prosperity doesn't stay away because of fate. It stays away because a home has lost discipline, unity, and purpose. Remember the teachings of Lord Hanuman. Strength without responsibility has no value." She encouraged Raghav to bring home the wife of his eldest son, who had been living with her parents ever since the marriage because of the family's difficult circumstances. Though doubtful, Raghav trusted her advice. The wise woman gave his son clean clothes, a few household supplies, and enough confidence to bring his wife home. When the young bride arrived, she didn't complain about the broken walls or the empty kitchen. Instead, she quietly began cleaning every corner of the house. She washed the dishes, organized the rooms, prepared simple meals, and encouraged every family member to work together instead of blaming their circumstances. Slowly, the atmosphere changed. Inspired by Hanuman's example of selfless service, the brothers joined their father in the fields. The home became organized and hope replaced despair. The young bride reminded everyone, prosperity begins when every hand is willing to serve and every heart chooses gratitude over excuses. For the first time in many years, Raghav felt that perhaps God had not forgotten his family after all. As the weeks passed, the family's hard work began to bear fruit. Their fields became greener, their home felt warmer, and hope slowly replaced years of despair. Before leaving for work each morning, Raghav remembered the words of Lord Hanuman. True strength is not found in wealth, but in discipline, honesty, and fearless action. One evening, however, he returned home with nothing except a dead snake he had found near the road. Embarrassed, he smiled and said, "Today, this is all I could bring." Instead of mocking him, his daughter-in-law calmly placed it outside the house. Moments later, a large eagle swooped down, grabbed the snake, and accidentally dropped a magnificent golden necklace into their yard. The necklace carried the royal seal of the kingdom. Rather than keeping it, the daughter-in-law reminded the family of Hanuman's example of integrity. "What belongs to another can never become our blessing," she said. Together, they decided to return it to the king. Disguised as a wandering holy man, Raghav visited the palace and respectfully explained where the lost treasure could be found. The king recovered the necklace exactly as Raghav had described and was amazed by his honesty. As a reward, the king offered him gold and land, but Raghav humbly replied, "Your Majesty, I ask only that my family may continue living with dignity through honest work." Deeply moved, the king blessed the entire family and provided them with fertile farmland, farming tools, and enough resources to build a better future. From that day forward, Raghav's family never forgot the lessons that transformed their lives. The brothers worked side by side. The daughter-in-law continued to lead the household with wisdom, and every morning the family offered a simple prayer to Lord Hanuman, asking not for riches but for courage, discipline, and a pure heart. Their prosperity grew naturally because their character had changed first. The village soon realized that miracles are often the result of faith combined with action. This story reminds us that poverty is not defeated by luck alone. It is overcome through unity, wise decisions, honest work, and unwavering devotion to God. Lord Hanuman teaches us that those who serve others with humility, remain truthful in every situation, and never give up during difficult times, are always guided toward a brighter future. When faith strengthens the heart and hard work guides the hands, even the impossible begins to unfold as God's perfect